Be careful.
I actually did it.
And what's your name?
My name is Sydney. I love to do backflips.
And what's your last
name? That was just a handstand. And my last name is Sydney Richardson.
Mm-hmm. What grade are you in?
I'm going to second grade.
And who are your best friends?
My best friend, my number one best friend is Mariah.
Oh, okay. And when's your birthday?
My birthday's coming up. It's July 23rd. And today is June 14th. Three.